Hey, it's Dan McDonald. Today I have a protocol to dissolve tumors, lose weight, get rid of cellulite, and to cleanse and purify the lymphatic system. A friend of mine, she's about to come over, is coming up to pick her weekly detox package from DTM. I'm taking her up another level by adding a couple herbs. So here with this DTM's Heal All Detox Juice, and if someone wants to transcribe this, I would appreciate it a lot. It is apple, carrot, celery, cucumber, ginger, lemon, carrot, beet, fennel, and mint. Okay, and then I cut it with just a little bit of coconut water. The coconut water creates a little bit more of a absorption, and it also allows me to stretch the juice out a little bit, because I know that juicing can get expensive, but it's also a very, very powerful therapeutic tool to detoxify, nourish, and regenerate the tissues in your body, particularly this recipe right here. So don't worry about stretching it out with the coconut water if you don't have access to fresh coconuts. I just went and harvested some today. And so I wanted to get that life force energy into there. So I basically put about 1/4 is coconut water. The rest is DTM's world famous Heal All Detox Juice recipe, which I just told you about. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a couple of herbs from ourbotanicals.com. I'll show you this right now. I've always got these herbs here, and I'd be happy to go over them with you. I do have an affiliate with them because I really do think they're one of the best websites on the internet to distribute Dr. Morse's herbal healing products. And I've been using those for probably 12 or 13 years since Krista and I went to one of the very first detoxification schools with Dr. Robert Morse. And so I have a whole bunch of the tinctures, I've got the glycerin, and I've got the capsules. And so I just keep these around for myself for occasional use, or I've become a little bit of a medicine man here in Hawaii, and I'll utilize these for my friends if they ever get clogged up or catch something, or they're going through some kind of issues. These are very supportive. They're like wild and organic crafted plants. Today, for the dissolving of the tumor, which is actually from eating too much dairy. It's a fibroid tumor. It's probably the size, well, it's probably the size of an orange now. When we first started, it was the size of a grapefruit. We've done a little bit of fasting. We've done some juicing and some enzyme therapy. So these two herbs that I'm going to be adding are going to accelerate the process. I've got a lymphatic system tonic too. There's actually 5 of those, so there's a link down below, and those are for the herbal products from Our Botanicals, and those are Dr. Robert Morse's herbs, and they've got 5 different lymphatic formulas. I love every single one of them. I don't think any one is better than the other, just different. For example, this one is red root, cat's claw bark, chickweed herb, which is, world renowned for cleaning the lymphatic system. Poke root, red clover herb, cleavers, also another powerful detoxifying herb. Culver's root, fenugreek seed, chaparral herb. Of course, chaparral is like it just pulls the junk right out. And then prickly ash bark and white oak bark. So that's an example of one of the herbal formulas from Dr. Morse. And this is the endocrine balance, and you'll see when I read these herbs how you can tell that they're going to strengthen. So the juices here dissolve with the apple, the lemon, the beet cleanses the kidneys and the liver, and the carrot as well is helpful. The fennel just adds some nice essential oils. The mint is good for the lungs, purifies the blood. The celery has a lot of minerals. The cucumber's got the silica and the beautifying properties. And then this one is Muthero root, so that's an endocrine herb. Kelp, that's an endocrine herb, especially for the thyroid. Bee propolis. Saw palmetto, that's an endocrine herb. Parsley, chase tree, an endocrine herb. Ho Shou Wu, an endocrine herb. I love Ho Shou Wu, by the way, FYI. Wild yam for the endocrine glands, suma root, and of course astragalus and prickly ash bark. So we're going to add these two into the protocol today, and we're going to see if we can accelerate the dissolving of this tumor. And the reason why I said, weight loss and cellulite is because, that's just going to be little buzzwords, but it's all the same. It's all mucus, lymphatic stagnation trapped in the body, and a tumor is just like way too much inflammation, way too many acids. It has to store it. So then you've got to alkalinize the blood, raise the enzyme count through either enzyme supplementation or water-only fasting. Also boosts the detoxification enzymes in the liver by like 1,000%, but it takes a few days for that to kick in, and it doesn't really reach its peak until day 7 or 10. And then after that, the liver enzymes are just cleaning up your blood, cleaning up junk, crap, filth, soot, slime, and debris that clogs up the human organism left and right. So we're all due for some detoxification, especially if we want to be tight, toned, ripped, and have no tumors and no lymphatic stagnation. So try this out. Try this juice. This is one of my probably top 3 juices. I just made a video on it, but I didn't really go into it too specifically. But there is, on my website, there is a button where you can go to free gifts. And I've got 3 free videos. All you got to do is send me your email. You'll be on my email list. If you want to just get the free videos and then you want to unsubscribe, that's fine. Just go get the free videos and watch this detox recipe getting made. I do the lemon ginger blast, and I think the clean green as well. Those are my top 3 detox juices. So take the juice, take the herbs to detoxify. Go look at ourbotanicals.com and check out their very fine selection of herbs. I'm looking forward to making a video here too on one of my favorite ones is the male reproductive formula. Man, that will get you just mean. You can't take too much. It's otherwise when you have a date with your wife, you take it about for a week leading up to that. You know what I mean? But you don't really want to stay that pumped up all the time. It's not like it's a negative thing, but it's just like you are really, really vigorous and healthy with that male formula, and it blesses all the rest of your body as well. And I've got tons of other herbs, and I'll go over those some other time. These are the enzymes from Purazyme that we've been having her blast. She does a little bit of water fasting. We did some cucumber juice fasting. We're working her way up to lengthening the fast so that she can just once and for all one day. It might take 21, 28, 30 days of total water fasting to just adios amigo. So we're working with people wherever they are, moving them forward and building the confidence so that they can regenerate and detoxify these old issues before they knew better about the different types of foods that really don't work well with the human organism. So FYI, there's only one more day on the Thriving in a Dying World sale. So if you haven't already picked that up, go pick that up. That's my newest, latest, and best online class, Thriving in a Dying World, How to Achieve True Health in a World of Confusion, Deception, and Misinformation. So go check that out and pick that up right now. It's only $29, 100% money back guarantee, but people are just raving about it. So go check that out and watch it and get educated and get illuminated on what's going on in our environment and what you can do personally at home from the comfort of your own home to protect yourself, nourish yourself, heal yourself, and regenerate yourself despite what's going on in the world today. Thank you very much for watching this video, giving a thumbs up, subscribing, leaving a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Peace.